I got some really good ideas from mcorner393. They're all sound effects, and I'm going to attempt to do them. The first one is putting my finger in my mouth and having it sound like a popping noise, like So there's the first one. The second one, setting my teeth and then rubbing them with my finger and see if they squeak. Alright, let's try it. No, I can't do that one. The next one, I have to rub my upper gums, and it should sound like steak or eggs frying. See if that one works. No, it doesn't. I mean, I can't do it. I bet other people can. I'm just not talented enough. The next one I've tried before, but I don't know if I can do it. I have to flick my cheek and then move my mouth so it sounds like water dripping. So I don't know, I can't do that. I don't think I can do the next one either, so I just feel like I'm making a fool out of myself, but you know what? Making a fool out of myself is fun. So, the next one is putting my two fingers in my mouth and blowing into them, and it's supposed to make a really loud whistling noise. So, let's try it. You know, I probably did that all wrong, but it was still fun all the same. Alright, that's all of them that I have for right now. Thanks again. Those were really good ideas. Thank you for not letting them have to do with my feet. So thank you. The next request was taking an egg and holding it vertical and squeezing it and trying to see if it would break. I didn't want to do this in my room, so I'm doing it over my kitchen sink. Hang on a second while I go get the egg and here's the egg. Okay. There's no cracks. It's fully intact. Alright, I'm going to see if I can break it now. It doesn't break. Break, you stupid egg. See, if I did it like this, it would break. But somehow, like this, it just doesn't. Alright, I guess that's the end of this video. Well, thanks for watching. Any more suggestions, just tell me. Thanks. Bye.